fast, I will just show you the answer.
Following is an excerpt from a 1965 newscast in which Bob Hoover spoke with Richard Hobbs, who explained what he did to the girl.
All I did was right after that thing on her stomach, then I hit her about 10 or 15
So in total,
times.
the password will be 4358, which means the count of the clues. And then they will proceed to the next stage, which is basically a binary decoder. So you can see the screen, the color start to change, and a line of code is displayed on the screen, and they hear a sound. So actually it represents 0100. So they need to adjust the button. From here is 0100. And then they also need to tune the knob to adjust the value to the correct one. So actually you can see from the I2C screen is 1000100. So now it becomes 0011. So there are in total 4 stages, and once you enter the decoded binary code, they will be printed on the screen. Yes, so this one is the last clue. So they'll see the screen change from red to green, means that they solved this stage. And actually you can read from the screen, it's actually the code you entered before. So the first row is actually a series of letters, and the second row is a series of binary code. And only the letters corresponding to 1 is usable information. So actually, after they decipher this clue, they will find it's actually August. So they also see a blank on the OLED screen. They will need to refer to the clue page, which is the ASCII code. So corresponding to the ASCII code, August is 065, 085, 071, 085, 083, and 084. So finally they solve this August, and a line of code will be displayed like turn me off and you will find the truth. So they know that they will need to switch the switch off. And then when they turn off the switch, they will find other clues. So actually on the second page of this clue page, they need to collect all these series of information which are names, name, year, date, and time. So the year is actually the first clue displayed during the news report, which is 1965, and the date is actually August the 9th, which is showing here, and the time will be the clue showing here. So actually it's quite straightforward. For the name only, they need to solve this fingerprint maze, which is a maze contains a lot of characters. So when they collect all these characters together, they will find a name called Fred. So when they turn this on again, they'll find all the buttons will light up. And that's the final stage, which will interact between this radio box and this smart robot, which is connected wirelessly. So when I press a button, observe the screen. So this screen will light up with name display on it. So you need to adjust the name to Fred. Hey, I need to see. Sorry. GCI. Where?
So basically, he just needs to spell the word F-R-E-D.
Yes.
So you have to scroll through the letters and spell the word Fred. Sorry.
Okay. So now it changed to year. So it's 1965. Okay. Okay, so now become date. Yeah, sorry guys, this one is quite long. Oh, 08.
Don't miss it.
Okay, the last one is time. It's 1833. Sorry. Okay, so after they solve all the clues, they'll get a clue for the next stage, which is displayed here. So actually it indicates the Wi-Fi SSID and the Wi-Fi password, and you need to open the page indicated by this IP URL, which is linked to the next stage.
Okay, before I introduce the game, I want to introduce the game scenario. So in our escape room, there are some fluorescent ink on the wall. So they will be invisible until you turn on the UV light. So after playing this game, the UV light will be automatically turned on wirelessly. And may I know how many of you do not have a smartphone with you? No, right. So all of you are welcome to play this game using your own devices. So firstly, you have to connect to this Wi-Fi and then open the URL. And for demonstration, I will let my partner Yixin to help me. So after getting the page, you will see this game consists of 3 parts. The first part is instruction, and the second part is the game itself, and the third part is a toolbox which may help you to solve the puzzle. Okay, for the game, the analogy is when you, there's a 5x5 matrix of blobs. So when you click one of them, itself and its adjacent blobs will be turned on or turned off. So so they will fully their states like this. But this happens to be too difficult to solve by random clicking, and you can try it on your own devices. So we include other clues to solve it. As you can see, each blob is associated with a letter. So, and there's a poster in our room, and you have to solve a word puzzle to get the clues for this game. Let's wait Yixin.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can see the when you see the game, you can write the code in our prepared paper, and then you can use our the DTO box to decode this.
Yeah, so according to our instruction, you are asked to decode them in a correct manner with the correct key using Caesar cipher. But if you don't know what Caesar cipher is, it's okay because we include the toolbox for you. So now I'm going to type in these letters in. Okay, so if the key is 1, the result is not correct. And if key is 2, it's not correct. So we will try when the key equals to 3. The answer is corresponding to the poster. So you write the result on the poster.
So we will write after the decode. Okay.
Okay, and according to the instruction, you have to eliminate 10 unknowns in this result. And unknowns refers to the unknowns in math equation, which is x, y, and z. So you can please remove all the x, y, and z. After which you get a congratulations award, and you have to click according to the layout. Like, so after which you are able to solve this game, and the LED